about to get this meal started, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for the stir fry. Of course, you guys have the broccoli stir fry. I have some raw and peeled deveined shrimp, as well as some scallops. These are going to be the seasonings. I'm going to do the Old Bay, the red lobster seafood seasoning, of course some Cajun, black pepper. We're gonna do the garlic and herb, black pepper and sea salt seasoning. And I'm still gonna add some more garlic powder to this dish. And you guys, last but not least, butter. Because what? Butter make everything taste better. Pepper, you guys, I forgot to add, we're going to use some extra virgin olive oil. To cook this dish, we're gonna use our wok pan. Now that you guys know the ingredients, let's get this meal started. All right, you guys, so we have the broccoli stir fry in the pan. We're gonna steam that for a little bit and then add some seasoning. So in a bowl, I'm gonna mix in these ingredients, about 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I'm just gonna add as much soy sauce as I like. I wanna say this may be about 2.5 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna go in with this hot honey sriracha, and I'm probably gonna put about a tablespoon of it, just kind of eyeballing it. You guys, I decided to add 1 more tablespoon of the hot sriracha honey, and I think this is gonna be great. All right, you guys, so now that that's steamed pretty good, we're gonna add in the seasoning, sauce seasoning. So as we wait for the sauce to thicken up, we're gonna go ahead and season our scallops and shrimp. We're gonna go in first with the Old Bay, and you guys just kind of season to your liking. And then we're gonna go in with the Cajun seasoning. Next, we're gonna use the garlic and herb, black pepper and sea salt. Go in with that extra garlic powder. A little of the red lobster seafood seasoning. And then last but not least, our ground black pepper. Now we're gonna top all that seasoning off with butter, because what? Butter make it taste better. So our sauce has definitely thickened up and kind of made a coating over the vegetables, exactly how you want it right here. So we're gonna get ready to go ahead and take these out the pan, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook our seafood. Start off with a little olive oil in the pan. I'm just gonna lightly spread them out so that we can get everything laid down. Making sure I turn the heat down to very low. I'm just gonna let this simmer until done. Only about 5 minutes though. Now that the scallop and shrimp are ready, we're gonna get ready to take them out of the pan and get ready to plate up everything. You guys, I did go ahead and throw in some 5-minute boil in the bag brown rice just to add as a filler.